Hey everyone, so this is my first video of my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a Scratch zombie shooter. And so yeah, let's get started. So we got our backdrops here, uh, game over and backdrop, and then this is the zombie. For the game over right now, we're not going to be working on this and the zombies, so leave these aside for now, and leave the backdrops aside for now. Just keep it on backdrop for now, and we're going to be working on the bullet and the soldier's movement. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so one flag clicked, wherever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go like how about 205 and negative 140. That checks out. Alright, wait, don't put it in the forever loop. Never mind. Alright, so I'm gonna go here. You guys can choose any spot, but it's supposed to be over here. It's supposed to be over here somewhere. It can't go up over here or like anywhere, you know. Alright, so now we're right here, so now we're gonna do our movement stuff. So forever, let's make a block called movement. Run without screen refresh, don't forget to click that. And then we're gonna put a movement here, and also we're gonna create a variable named y, and then for all sprites. So, and then we're gonna set y. I'm gonna set the other y too. In the forever loop, set y to y. Alright. And also in the set y to negative 140. And then we're gonna put the y variable over here. Alright. Okay, so now we can get started with our movement script. So we're gonna do an if then. If key W pressed, or we're gonna know it from operators, or key up arrow pressed, and then now we're gonna do change y by 10. Okay, so now if we do that, we can go up. Okay, so now we can go up but not down, so let's do that. Alright, duplicate this. Instead of a W, do an S, and then instead of an up arrow, do down arrow. Okay, and then change y by negative 10. So if we click the flag, we can go up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Yep, okay, so that's it. Okay, so we got that done. Now we're gonna do, so like if you noticed, then we can go all the way up, like we can literally levitate, and I don't want that, because do you ever think that someone could literally start levitating? So we're gonna code for that so he doesn't go all the way up. Okay, now we're gonna do another if, and if y greater than, I'm gonna see how much. I'm gonna do it right, y greater than negative 100, then change y by negative 10. So now if we try to go up here, it won't let us. and then so that's good, and then we can only go down here. Now if we see this, then how did bro go underground? I don't think he had a shovel, so we gotta also fix that. And for that, we could just do a if on edge bounce. But then for some reason that makes, we're just gonna add a point in direction 90. It's weird. Oh, my bad. We're gonna actually X that out. Okay, let's not do that. If y greater than, let's see here. Negative 150. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, negative 150. Change y by 10. Okay, so let's try this. Well, oh my bad. We had to do a less than. Sorry about that. Or y less than negative 150. Alright, so now we can go down there, and now we can go up there. So we got good space. Alright, so now we got the movement script. So, yeah. Okay, that's perfect. So, now let's work on the bullet. So, one flag clicked. Go to events, one flag clicked. Forever, go to soldier. Alright, and we're gonna show this. So, as you can see, that bullet does not look like it's on the tip of the gun. So, where should it be? I'm gonna do, alright, I'm gonna stop this, and then, okay. So, we're actually gonna go to soldier like that, and then, change, y by 10. How about that? Let's see. Yeah, okay. Let's see that one more time. Okay, so that's good. And then change x by, change x by 10 also. Oh wait, change x by negative 10. Let's do negative 20. How about that? No, that's still not good. Let's do negative 50. Oh, that's a little too much. 40. How about that? Okay, that's perfect. Just let's tweak this a bit. Sorry guys, I had to mute myself. Something was happening. Alright, so we got the, if you guys were following along, you guys had to copy this code. So one flag clicked, hide. So this way, on the soldier, it says if mouse down, if we're clicking, then we're gonna broadcast shoot, and that sends a message to this, and then it receives this message and creates a clone of itself. So it creates a duplicate of that, but not actually that. And now now when they start as a clone, we're gonna go to soldier, and then we're gonna tweak the Y and X so it can get to the gun instead of on the body right here. And then we're gonna repeat until we're touching the edge, which is right here. And then change X by -10, which is making us go left. So, and then delete this clone, so it's gonna hide that. And now if we click, that's weird. Oh wait, my bad. Since we already did one flag click hide, it's gonna hide forever, so we're just gonna put it when I start as a clone, so the duplicate will show, but not the actual sprite. Alright, we're gonna try this again. There we go. There we go. Perfect, perfect. Well, not actually perfect, never mind. So, as you see, instead of getting one bullet, we're getting like 3 bullets at a time. So, when I receive shoot, wait until not mouse down, and then create clone of myself. So what that will do is wait for our mouse to leave, so like wait until we're not clicking. So I'm clicking right now, but the bullet's not coming, and then if I let go, boink, the bullet comes out. And now it comes one at a time. So, yeah, alright, so that's it for this episode. See you next time. Hope you have a good day. Bye!